everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the new Google Pixel 4a, and it'll be released on August 20th, but as of now we can start ordering. As you can see, it will only come with one color, just black, and from the picture we can see that it doesn't have the notch, but it has a little hole punch right here. Okay, and it's very typical. Here for the 4a we'll start with 128 gigabyte instead of 64 like the Pixel 3a, and as we all know, the Pixel 4a, it's known for the camera. So here you go. There you go, just one camera and a flash. Unlike other mid-range phone like OnePlus Nord, has like a couple, I think 3 cameras. Okay. Top notch right there. It's all about the photo. It's all about the camera. So if you guys into taking photos, you know, the Pixel 4a would be the way to go. There we go. See what else. A battery that takes you from breakfast to bed. So that's like 24 hours right there. You can see right here it still has the fingerprint sensor in the back, just like the 3a, the 3, the 2. Quick charge. This one is not water resistant. Okay, there you go. And like any Google phones, they're gonna, you know, you can make sure, you can know for sure that, you know, you have an update for at least 3 years. And this phone right here says that if you're in a car crash, it can actually call 911 for you, so, which is great. And here we just take a look at the comparison between the three Pixels, 3a, 4, and 4a. As you can see right here, the 3 starting out with 64 gigabyte, and here the 4a start with 128. Here with 4 gigabyte of RAMs, here with 6. The 4 has a better flagship processor, 855. Over here just a mid-range one, but the camera is about pretty much the same. Right now, Pixel 4a's come with the 3 months free of Google One. So we can actually try to see if we can do a trade-in with the phone. I actually tried it already. Right now they give you $120 for the Pixel 3a. Okay, if I were to trade it in, let me see if I can just trade one in. Okay, so I do have a Google phone. So okay, let's go for trading this one right here. And I usually get the unlock one. Start the trade in. Again, trade in. It's a Google Pixel 3a. It was other. Yes, $120. I don't know if I can sell it on OfferUp or Craigslist for higher. I probably can, probably maybe 200, but I'm pretty sure I can sell more than 120. But if you don't want the hassle, then you can just do the trade-in like this. I did the trade-in through Google before. When I got my Pixel 3a, I traded in my iPhone SE, and I think at that time I paid $379 instead of $349. But anyway, the process is pretty easy as long as as long as all this is true, you know, the phone turns on and the screen doesn't crack like that, you're gonna get the full price. So, and with me, I always keep my phone in like excellent condition, so there's no problem with them not giving me then, you know, the price that they quoted. So, but that's pretty much it about the Pixel 4a. This one is just a LTE variant, so it doesn't the 4G only. If you're someone who's waiting for the 5G, it will be coming maybe a couple months down the line, and I think they're looking at about maybe $450 to $500 for the 5Gs one. So if you're looking for 5Gs, you might want to hang out, wait for a little bit. But if not, $350 for a Google Pixel with the awesome camera. I think that's not bad of a deal. And as of right now, you can pretty much pre-order anywhere, like at Best Buy, or you can even do it on Amazon as well, and it's all the same price, $349. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.